You might have seen the decibel meter available in market that generally measures the sound intensity and level. The sound loudness is measured in terms of decibel. Different sound producing medium ranging from airplanes to human whisper has certain level of sound loudness expressed in decibel. Sound waves are the longitudinal waves that has to and fro motion, giving high or low pitch as shown in the image. The loudness of a sound depends upon the frequency or a wavelength or a time required for propagation. The table shows the level of sound in dB from threshold of hearing to office sound to bus station or jet planes. But unfortunately, all the sound level meter available in market are expensive. That is why I decided to make my own IoT based decibel meter. Using my sound level meter, I can monitor the sound level and intensity on IoT server. So I used Node MCU board along with the sound sensor module with a display. The display is OLED and simple generic LCD display. Sound sensor generally reads the analog value of sound which is then converted into decibel using some mathematical formula. So in this video, we'll use the sound module. This sound module has a mic and an amplifier circuit which is read by microcontroller. So now let's get started with our project. The official sponsor of this video is NextPCB. All the PCBs used in my YouTube videos are offered by NextPCB company. NextPCB is one of the most experienced and best PCB manufacturer company in China who give the offers for 2 layers, 4 layers and multi-layer PCB. All you need to do is give the order to them by filling the size of the PCB, selecting the number of quantity, colors, giving the address of your country and then uploading a Gerber file. After uploading a Gerber file, you can submit the order and within a week you can get high quality PCBs. This is a sound sensor module which I ordered recently to make my own decibel meter. It has a perfect condenser mic that detects the level of sound from the sound producing medium. It has an IC called LM393 which is a comparator IC. It has a potentiometer that is used to adjust the sensitivity. It has 3 pins that is out, VCC and ground. And now in this video we are using Node MCU 16x2 LCD display, that is I2C LCD display and SSD1306 OLED display module. Similarly, some of the jumper wires we are using here, and then we are using a breadboard for the assembly. So these are the required components. Now first we need to set up the ThingSpeak. So just visit thingspeak.com and get started there by filling your details and signing up. If you have already signed up, then you can create an account and fill these details and then save the channel. So under the API key, you can copy the API key and paste this API key on a code because this API key is required while uploading the code. So here is the circuit diagram. We have assembled the I2C LCD display and sound sensor to the analog pin. Analog pin is connected because sound sensor is an analog sensor. So here is the assembly on breadboard. All the components are assembled as per the circuit diagram. So here is the sample code that I have written in Arduino IDE. You can find all this code in the link in the description below. So you need to add the I2C LCD display library and you need to define the A0 pin of Node MCU that we are using to detect the sound. Using this formula, you are converting the minimum and maximum voltage generated into a decibel value, and using this function we are sending the data to the IoT cloud server, that is ThingSpeak. Select the right board, select the right port, upload the code. So once you upload the code, the sensor get ready and you can measure the sound. Now, instead of LCD display, I want to display the sound level and intensity on OLED display with a graph that generally shows the low and high version of the sound. So here is a connection diagram. We have connected it to the I2C pin, and same connection is for the sound sensor, that is its output terminal is connected to anode. And here is the code. We have added few more libraries, that is the library for I2C OLED display. We have defined the string parameters like Wi-Fi SSID and some number of samples taken. Similarly, we are using the same formula to convert the sound level into the meter. Using this, we are generating the graph on OLED display, and from here we are sending to the ThingSpeak server. Again, upload the code.